Bonjour. Dans cette leçon numéro 7, we have already saw this lesson number 7. We started with the translation. Yes, did you remember? Yes. So we saw the monuments in Paris. Nous avons vu les monuments à Paris. Okay, so we already saw the monuments of Paris, and now we are going to see the preposition. Okay, so you have to take page 59. So in this page 59, you have a tabular column. So here is the tabular column that I made for you. Okay, you see, here you have au, en, du, de, plus nom du pays. So au, en means to. Okay, du, de means from, okay, plus le nom du pays, name of the country. So when we are going to a country, when we are in a country, and when we are going from a country. Okay, so this is the differentiate between going to a country and when we are going to use which preposition. Okay, so for that also you have to study. You have to turn the page to page 61. In page 61, you have les noms des pays. So you have the country's name. Yes? So the name of the countries you have in masculine and in feminine plus L apostrophe for vowel countries. And you have the name in English. The country names in English given in the right side. Okay? So you have to learn all the country names in French, then in English, then here also in French, here in English. Okay? So you have this, you have to learn this. So for that, you are going to see where we have to use the preposition au, en. So to express going to or being in a place. So when we are going to a place or when we are in a place. Okay, so for that, when we are going to use the preposition en. So for that we have to know feminine, countries, continent and province. Okay, so feminine countries, continents, feminine continents and province. And masculine countries begin with the vowel. Okay, so for all these things we have to use en. Okay, so here are some examples. En Suisse, en Amérique, en Bourgogne, en Iran. Okay, so you are going to take your pencil with you, and then we are going to see in your book en Swiss. So here you are going to write, it is already written. So if you don't have, you can write to Switzerland, okay, or in Switzerland. So Swiss is Switzerland, okay. So en Suisse, to Switzerland or in Switzerland, you can say en Amérique, to America or in America. En Bourgogne, Bourgogne is a province, okay. So en Bourgogne, to Bourgogne, and in Bourgogne, en Iran. So en Iran, so you can see the bubble, okay. So it's a masculine name. So en Iran, to Iran and in Iran. Okay, so we saw the preposition using with en for feminine countries, feminine continent and feminine province. Then for masculine countries beginning with the vowel. Okay, so this is that you have to learn for this column. Now we are going to see the next one. AU or AUX. So did you remember AU and AUX? What are they? Article contracté. So we already saw. So I am going to write an example here. So you can see AU. What is the definition of AU. A plus le. Okay. So what is the definition of AU? Yes. A plus LES. Yes, we already saw this. Yes, did you remember? Yes. So A U X, that means O. Okay. So O for masculine countries. So we are going to use AU or AUX for masculine countries. Okay. And for plural also, masculine plural. So masculine singular, au Japon, to Japan. Aux États-Unis, to United States. Aux Émirats, okay, to Emirates, UAE, okay, so United Emirates, okay. So you can see masculine countries, masculine and plural also, okay. So next column, you can see, next line, you can see A. So this is only for cities. We are going to use A preposition for cities. So you can see example A Paris, to Paris or in Paris. Okay. So I hope you can understood this till here. When we have to use A. So for that we have to study this. When we have to use AU or AUX. So we have to study the masculine countries. Okay. So when we have to use Aksa for city names. Okay. So this is for O R. Okay. So to express going to or being in a place. Next one, next category you are going to see du, de. Okay. So that means from. Okay. Going from a place or belonging from a place. Okay. De, D-E, when we are going to use de. For feminine countries, feminine continents, okay, so feminine countries, feminine continent and feminine province. Okay, so the same here, we are going to use the Swiss, from Switzerland, from America, so you can see bubble, okay, from America. Next one from Bourgogne. Okay, so for that also we have to learn the feminine and masculine name of the countries. Okay, so next one D apostrophe. Feminine and masculine countries beginning with a vowel. Okay, so we have Dan. So from India or from Iran, Iran, Dan. Okay, so feminine and masculine countries beginning with a vowel. Next one DES. So for plural countries. So des Émirats, des États-Unis, from Emirates, from United States. Okay, so next one DU, masculine countries, du Japon. See, some of them are repeated also. Okay, so du Japon, from Japan. So this is to Japan, this is from Japan, because Japan is a masculine country name. Next one DE. So what is DE for? City names. So as we saw, A for city names, to a place or being in a place. Here it is the cities. The Paris, from Paris. Okay, so I hope you understood that two categories that we are learning here. O, that means to. Du, that means from. Okay, so this is a short thing that we are learning here. So here you have the example. Okay, so this is the same that we are going to elaborate the sentence with the example. So all countries like other nouns in French are gendered. Countries whose spelling ends with E are feminine. feminine. So you can see this tabular column, page 61. So you can see the ending of the country name. So La France, La Bretagne, La Suisse. Okay, so we have many names ending with E. Okay, so you have to learn these country names. Okay, so we are going to see now examples. So except Mozambique. You can see in your book Mozambique, they have used le Mozambique. Mexique, le Mexique. What is Mozambique? It's a country name. Mexique is what? Mexico. Okay, and le Zaire, le Zimbabwe. Okay, so these are all ending with E, but they are masculine names, country names. Okay, so these are exceptions. Okay, so now we are going to see point by point. Okay, so here we have 9 points. Okay, so to talk about going or being a country which is feminine, we use on. Okay, so in this tabular column, we saw to talk about that country which is feminine. Okay, we use en, being in a country. Je vais en Suisse. I am going to Swiss, Switzerland. Il travaille en Amérique. He works in America. Okay, so you understood. So this is the same procedure but given as a sentence manner. Okay, so we have learned, we have exercise regarding this also. So this is the example that we are going to do our exercise also regarding the example that we saw here. To talk about going to or being in a country which is masculine, we use AU. Okay, so for feminine countries, EN, masculine countries, AU. O. Je vais au Japon. I am going to Japan. Il travaille au Danemark. So he works in Denmark. Okay. So third point, we also use on for all names of masculine countries beginning with a vowel. So on. So we saw here also masculine countries beginning with a vowel. Okay. So that is the third point. Third example. Je vais en Afghanistan. Il travaille en Amérique. So I am going to Afghanistan. He works in Iran. Okay, so this is the thing for the third point. Example for the third point. Vowel countries. Okay. So here, next one, fourth point. For countries whose names are plural, we use AUX. Yes. Je vais aux États-Unis. I am going to United States. Il travaille aux Antilles. He works in Antilles. Okay, so you can see these are plural countries, United States and Antilles. Okay, so fifth point, to talk about going to or being in a city. Okay, we use a. So we saw here, to talk about cities, we use the preposition a. Je vais à Paris. I am going to Paris. Okay, so we have to learn the city names also. Il travaille à Delhi. He works in Delhi. So you can identify. Yes, you can separate the country names and the city names. Okay, so for cities we are going to use a. Preposition a. So let me go for the sixth point. To talk about coming from or belonging to a feminine country, we use DE or D apostrophe before vowels. Okay? Je viens de France. So you can see I am coming from France. Il est d'un is from India. Okay, il est dan. So before a vowel we are using dan. Okay. Next one, to talk about coming from or belonging to a masculine country, we use du. Okay, so du we are using for a masculine country or belonging to a masculine country we use. Okay, je viens du Japon. I am coming from Japan. Okay, so il est du Danemark. He is from Denmark. But il vient d'Afghanistan. So you can see you have a vowel. So we saw for national country. Okay, so here you have a vowel. It is coming from Afghanistan. Okay, so you have to put D apostrophe. So 8th point now. So am I fast? No. So take your pencil and write the English meaning along with me. Okay. So for countries whose name are plural, we use DS. Je viens des États-Unis. I am coming from United States. Il est des Antilles. He is from Antilles. 9th point, the last point, to talk about coming from or belonging to a city. We use de. Okay? Je viens de Paris. I am coming from Paris. Il est de Delhi. He is from Delhi. Okay, so this is the grammar that we learned today, and we have some example regarding the grammar. Okay, so why we gave you this example? So is for you have to turn your page 62. You have exercise number 1 and 2. So exercise number 1 is you have used the preposition accent on aux. So for that we have to read the sentence. Okay, you have to place the correct preposition, even preposition. Don't use other preposition. So here it is to. Okay, we have to use only the preposition to or in. Okay, so second one it is from. The preposition from DE, DU, DES or D apostrophe. Okay, so you have EV. So the first part you have the dash. You have to fill up the dash. He lives dash Mumbai dash India. So you have to identify whether the country is masculine or feminine, and for cities no worries because we are going to put a accent. Okay, so most of the first part we have city names, then we have the countries. Okay, so you have to identify the country names and the city names for the first exercise. And the second one, completely fast, the same we using DE, D apostrophe DU. Okay, so we are going to do this two exercises as an assignment. So I am going to give you the PDF and you are going to do on your own regarding this grammar part. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So you can rewind your video and learn one by one. Okay, slowly you can take your pencil with you and write the English meaning that I taught you for each and every examples. Merci, thank you.